Occupying a prime location overlooking Sydney Harbour, Quay Quarter Precinct is located on the site of First Government House. It is the vantage point from where the Gadigal people witnessed colonial ships arrive in Sydney Cove in 1788. This redevelopment of the iconic AMP Tower at 50 Bridge Street is transforming one of the world's most famous urban landscapes. Icon's contract was awarded in 2018 and is due for completion in 2021. It includes a wide range of different building elements and different materials. The entire northern face of the original 1975 43-storey concrete tower was demolished from top to bottom to allow for the expansion of the building northwards and to bring the daylight in. So the remaining section of the tower needed reinforcement. We provided shear and flexural reinforcement to the concrete core structure over 43 levels to allow that to happen. Also, we are providing various steel structures throughout the podium, lobby and the basement areas of the building. The main showpiece element is 35 spiral feature stairs which are installed in the atriums, which are in various locations throughout the tower. Sometimes there's a spiral stair that spans 2 floors or 3 floors, or in one case in the middle of the building, nine floors at once, which is pretty spectacular structure. Part sculpture, part infrastructure, these spiral stairs will ensure that the QQT community remains connected, engaged and inspired. For Icon Metal, it's an exciting opportunity to showcase craftsmanship, teamwork and innovation in producing these breathtaking results. A key challenge of the QQT project is maintaining smooth continuity of manufacture and installation. Scheduling is critical on a job of this magnitude, and staying within tight timeframes is essential to the development as a whole. We started the design process in December 2018 and we moved quickly through our in-house 3D modelling and went to a mock-up full size to ensure that the architectural intent and the engineering requirements were met. There's a lot of different processes involved in producing the products that we do. We have steel fabrication, bending, cutting, profiling, protective coating system, which is really important for the longevity of the products. So with these different materials and different finishes, when it comes together, we get the result that we see. This is what we try and do. We take the architect's vision, try and bring it to life. For the construction of the 35 QQT spiral stairs, we manufactured a total of over 300 individual steel sections, each with slight variances in length and radius, all eventually connecting as complete helical structures. Production, Jim Barclay and his team have done an amazing job to get them all out on time, and every stair has been delivered in time, on the day, ready for install when required.
We've had to build the factory to do the stairs in, so we've had to clear all this out, build a platform to fabricate these stairs on, and there's no time for complacency of saying, well, I can't deliver it today, because it just has to happen. There's so many other trades on the site that if we miss our time spot, it can really hurt the overall job.
It's a really big project, and it's the biggest project that I've ever done before. So yeah, I'm really proud of it.
To honour the architect's vision of an interconnected precinct, this project called upon the full range of our design, fabrication and logistical expertise. The Quay Quarter Precinct project has a 6 Green Star rating from the Green Building Council of Australia. This represents world leadership in environmentally sustainable building practices, using low amounts of energy, chemical products, water and waste. This means that some processes are completed off-site. To do this, we developed a erection rig which was constructed down at the base of the building. This allowed us to bring the assemblies together and pre-connect them in order to allow us to lift the whole 10-ton stair assembly in one go with a special lifting frame, so it could be lifted from the ground up and directly into place, which was a simple 1-hour operation, saving a lot of time and a lot of effort and allowing the stairs to be constructed as the building goes up. Lucky to have fantastically diverse and talented teams working hard to make this all happen. James Gadden has been heading up the project, with Vinny, Isabella and Louisa focusing on stairs, Enrico on miscellaneous metalwork and Paul Pribula assisting with logistics. The site team headed up by Sock and Neon and James Fowler have also done an amazing job. They're up to 28 stairs in out of 35 at the moment, and that's been incident free so far, so that's good.
The preparation is to sort out where the stair goes. We're following the sequence. The slab's getting poured, so we're going to be there. There's always a bit of pressure. When they pour the slab, we've got to then come in, check our heights, make sure that we're corresponding. And then we send that to Vinny, he checks it, sends us packing heights. Then we go, yep, okay, we're right to go. Go to the crane meeting, okay, we're ready to lift tomorrow morning at whatever. Pick it up off the jig, into position, bolt it off, and then work on landings, stringers, and do the final finishes. With tower cranes, they're always busy. You look at a lot of trades on site, everybody wants a tower crane. That's the main challenge. But other than that, you know, that's just the way construction works, you know. We've been right up there, you know what I mean? We've never been behind, so we're always on time.
Each stair is transported to site in 3 separate pieces, where they are pre-assembled on a ground floor erection rig. From there, they are lifted by the tower crane to the top level of the emerging building, where they are secured onto the pre-installed outriggers. This process is called, predictably, the big lift.
Today we're going to install the big lift. It's going to be lifted as one assembly, one big piece.
We're lifting the stair from level 34 to 35 from the interface down there, straight into position as soon as the crane crew are ready, mate. Oh, I'm always excited. I'm as excited as Vinny. Hey Vinny, come on Vinny, put it there.
The main part of the stair was installed with the tower crane, but now we're not gonna be able to use the tower crane anymore, so we're gonna have like to be creative and plan different methodologies to bring the stair into position.
The stairs between level 1 and level 6 were not able to utilise the tower crane. To overcome this, our ingenious riggers and engineers developed an overhead lifting system and temporary train tracks to bring the steel into place.
These ones with the tower crane, like Paul used to say, is the easy part. We have level 1 to 3 is really complicated. It's gonna be like the biggest challenge now.
The showpiece spiral staircase between level 1 and 3 cantilevers over a huge retail void, requiring a unique methodology for installation. The stair was constructed simultaneously from the top down and from the bottom up. The last stair section functions as a bridge piece, connecting the top and bottom sections together. Our highly skilled riggers had to maintain an even weight distribution around the exact centre of gravity of each section as it was lifted, a balancing act that requires precision, experience and teamwork.
I was here on site every day with the guys. It was hard to come up with the idea, but for the guys on site it was even harder because they have to actually play around with 4 tons of steel. Big days, we have the whole team focus on this stair. No matter how much you plan, in reality it's not going to be 100% accurate. We had to deal with a few constraints. That's the thing, if you have a good team involved, you can sort all kind of situations.
Following completion of the structural installation, the stairs are finished off with low iron glass panels and stainless steel handrail. A final coat of paint to finish off, and the stairs are ready to be handed over to the client. Although the pristine spiral stairs are QQT's signature architectural statement, Icon Metal has also contributed to some of the building's less glamorous features, like the hidden steel structure that supports the heavy Italian stone cladding in the main foyer, and the food court skylight and bar area.